Good morning. Buenos dias. Good morning, bro.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien. How was your night?
Fantástico.
It's crazy probably to see us in a hotel, but we're getting out of here. There's obviously many items that I don't have the satisfaction or blessing of having in Mexico, such as daily green boost powder, nutritional yeast, new bike tires that I really wanted, but I bought the wrong size when I was in America, then I had to leave. There's just a variety of items, so we'll come over here and show you what I am bringing to Casa de Trino from that my mom dropped off. This right here is not green American Mexican cocaine that I'm smuggling across the border. This is daily green boost powder, 3 bottles that we got to my house, and I will be taking. This will probably last me 2 or 3 months of DGB. It doesn't have to be refrigerated. You just have to keep it out of light. So if you put it in a bag, you can travel with this stuff, and this is like my magic. So got a huge thing of DGB, and oh yeah, we'll show them the bottle. Boom. When you buy this online, it is raw, organic, vegan, non-GMO, alkalinity, boosting energy levels, appetite control, weight management, sleep, immune system, hair, and it's run by my buddy Jamie, who's a high-carb vegan. It's a small vegan company, and this is just, I love this stuff. I eat it in my smoothies every single day, and you can just mix it with bananas. Like when I'm on the road, I'll just have my bowl, I'll take some bananas and mangoes, mash them with a fork, put in some DGB, and that's like an amazing, healthy, delicious meal. So use Plantriotic when you're buying it online for 10% off of your order. Stuff is pretty expensive, but you guys buy it all the time because it's amazing, and I love that you get 10% off. I get a little bit of the commission, and you're supporting a vegan company. It's just the best, so use Plantriotic when you check out online, and that's the only place to buy this stuff. What else do I have? My other non-drug but drug-looking bag is Nooch. Look at that next to my face. That is a big bag of Nooch, which will last me less than 3 months, but probably a month. That'll be amazing. And I have these bike tires. Here, we can come in here. These are the Schwalbe Marathon GT Tour tires. This is a 2018 new model. This is the top, the highest, best, like puncture-resistant touring tire. It's a 700 by 38 millimeter. I would ideally like a 40 or 50 millimeter tire, but the bicycle that I have, the fork can't fit that big of a tire. So eventually, when I get a new frame, I will probably get a wider tire so that I can go on even gnarlier dirt roads and stuff like that. But these will take me a long way in Baja for sure. I have Maggie's meds. And we brought meds for all the dogs back on the ranch. You can imagine all the amount of fleas and worms just being in Mexico. All these animals, they're everywhere. It's unavoidable. So my mom brought us all these meds from the vet to give to all the dogs. Very grateful for that. I have B12. I have more Mas Pelotas para Maggie. And that's pretty much it. B12, Nooch, DGB, tires, things for Maggie, and that's my life. We are ready to go. We're gonna go meet up with my friend Lindsay, who you know from the vlog, and get a few more items now that we're in America before we head back across the border tonight, back into Mexico. Buenos dias.
All the animals from the side.
One of the perks of this hotel, definitely the biggest perk, they have this citrus orchard, and it says there's a sign, pick anything that's sweet for your enjoyment. And this is a kumquat tree. Ah! Free kumquats! That's incredible. Boom. Breakfast. Okay, here's a purchase I've been wanting to make for 6 years. I'm coming on 6 years vegan, but a year before going vegan, I bought my Igneo REI sleeping bag when I hiked the John Muir Trail, and it is a down sleeping bag, and I've had it as a vegan. Down is a super unethical process where they pluck the soft feathers of ducks and I think it's ducks or some other type of bird, and they stuff it into sleeping bags, and it's really warm, but it's super unethical, and I am very excited. I get to ditch my sleeping bag, which Maggie has destroyed over the last few months because of her fleas and infection and stuff, which we are now treating with medication, but she licks compulsively at night, and now my sleeping bag at the ranch is covered in mold. It's gross, and it's down, and I'm like, fuck it, it's time to get a new synthetic vegan sleeping bag. Let's do it. I'm about to drop probably my whole month's worth of Patreon right now, so thank you if you are a Patreon fan member. You are about to buy me a vegan sleeping bag. I love you. Thank you. Much love. Perfect, I got everything. Water bottles, carabiners, sleeping bags, super feet for my shoes because they're really wearing down the soles. And it happened to be a sale. Today we got 20% off the most expensive item, so that was awesome, and that was just random because this is my one day in America. I picked a good day to go to REI. Next stop, PetSmart, because I need to get nail clippers for Maggie and maybe some more meds. That's so good. I mean, these were alive on the tree 2 hours ago. Maggie is so bad with her feet. She doesn't like people touching her feet, especially her nails, but I have to buy these because her nails, like a couple of them have broken, which obviously is not ideal or nice, and she scratches me. Do you see this battle scar? Yeah, that was just from maybe yesterday, because in the morning she puts her paws all over me and her nails are so long, so we gotta cut her nails. It's not gonna be fun, but Maggie, it's for your own good. Bye, Lindsay. Bye. This is actually my last time hopping into America.
I know, my gosh.
So the next time we hang out, you truly will have to come to Central or South America to come chill with us.
I gotta get a passport.
Much love. If you guys want to become triathletes, if you want to get fit, just have someone as a source of inspiration to take it to the next level and exercise and just overcome really amazing obstacles on behalf of a goal. What is it? Runner
Girl LPD.
Runner Girl LPD on Instagram.
Yep.
Okay, my brother is gone, who you never even saw because he doesn't like to be in the vlog anymore. My parents left in the morning, so you didn't get to say goodbye to them. But I got to last night. They went to New York today, and Trino and I are heading back into America. Goodbye, adios Estados Unidos. I guess I love you for what you stand for, but I don't love you based on the practices of your foreign and domestic policy. But again, who is America? America is made up of the people. If we're good people, which hopefully most of us are, there's some bad eggs out there with prejudice and discrimination that should get out of America because that's very un-American. But when it comes to the government, you know, when we cross into the border here, we're about to see pictures of Donald Trump and Mike Pence. And that's just so sad and disgusting. We need to do better. The way we do it is through organizing, through action, and to elect progressives, to live in California, vote for Allison Hartson, to kick out Dianne Feinstein to be the center of California. Okay, I need to stop talking. We're headed back into the border. Mexico bound, baby. This is really potentially my last time in America for a very long time, and I'm quite excited. We made it back. I'm telling you guys, just within my heart, I feel more at home here. I'm not even kidding. I was like triggered being in America. It just doesn't feel right. I feel a lot better. Maggie's stoked. We're good to go. We finally made it, beautiful. That was like, it's been close to 10 hours of driving over the last 24 hours. But we're back in business, we're in Colonet, and I have a massive surprise for you guys tonight. This is gonna be an epic night. I might not sleep. Here's a preview and a teaser.
Ha comentado Trino, pensé que venías de acá del norte para abajo o del norte para...
All right, dude, great to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you too.
Welcome to Rancho Viejo. How do you like it?
Rancho Viejo aquí en Colonet. It's pretty nice, dude.
It's pretty awesome.
Pretty
And
awesome.
This is a pretty sweet place to tattoo, right?
It's great.
This is like an enchanted, this is...
tattoo parlor in the ranch.
Yeah, and it's just crazy. We have a tree coming out of a fireplace and the dragon and this roof. It's an enchanted place. And what do you think about this design?
Pues, I love it. I love it. The fucking...
Where...
Oh, Yo tatúo en todo Baja California y voy a Baja California Sur también a tatuar. Ya este año cumplo 10 años tatuando y es grandioso. Tengo este que es personal.
Por favor, este es increíble. So, tú se llamas Benjamin Piña.
Benjamín Piña.
Y este es un piña.
Es una piña.
Es muy bonita.
Ben Piña.
I would so love that tattooed, like kind of on my stomach, like right in the middle, my belly button in the middle or something. Oh, it's gorgeous. Getting the Gallo Grande, giant chicken, giant rooster.